trust you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl here, Miss Kitty Kenya, and I'm coming live to you from Nairobi airport. And guess what, guys, we are finally moving. I know it's been a while since we did travel videos. We're back on it now, so we are back like we never left. So at the moment I'm at this cafe. I want to have either coffee or tea as I wait for my flight. My flight will be in the next 1 hour, so I still have time here. Right now it's 10:30 and the flight will be 11:30, so we are about to board. So I was like, let me just have my coffee before we proceed. So this is my coffee, guys. I have my coffee here, and of course chapati. I'm having chapati. I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. So right now, guys, it's time to go. The flight is here.
Was on its way out. I wasn't sober and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wind and audacity of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me.
We have finally landed, guys. Welcome to Mombasa. It's so good to be back here in Mombasa again on this October. In the month of October, I feel so good to be back here. And right now it's midnight. The plane just landed in the plane landed at exactly 23:50. So yeah, whew, it feels good to be here. Hello guys, how are you all? Yes, last time I left you when I was at the airport. But right now I'm in Mombasa, and this is my room. Let me just give you a quick room tour. So this is the bed where I spent my night. This is how it looks. That's the wardrobe. Wish that I could stay in this. That's me. That's my outfit of the day. Welcome to Mombasa, guys. Actually, I'm ready to explore and go outside. I'm gonna be having these shoes. I got them from Zara. As you can see, it's from Zara, guys. They are new. This is where I am. But yeah, the sun is out now. It was like the sun was not out, but that's how it is.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. So